Now again we are going to start some questions based on the congruency. Now see, first question is given as in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equals to AC. So we have to draw figure. Isosceles triangle here AB, ABC. AB and AC both are equal. The bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. We have to join this. So in this question we have to prove OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. So we have to prove these two things. So how to start? So see here. In this question, what we have to take, first of all, in triangle, see here, first, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now see, whenever the triangle is isosceles, so AB is equal to AC. So their opposite angle, the side which is equal, so their opposite angles are also equal. So here angle C will be equal to angle A. So AB is the side, opposite angle is angle C, AC is the side, opposite angle is angle B. So here we can write angle ACB will be equal to angle ABC. This is the property of isosceles triangle. Property of isosceles triangle. So by the property of isosceles triangle, both the angles are equal. It means that angle B is equal to angle C. So divide both the sides by 2. Half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. So half of angle B, it means the bisectors. Half of angle B is this angle and half of angle C will be this angle. So we can write here angle OPC is equal to angle OCB. So these two angles are equal. So when these two angles are equal, so their opposite side will also be equal. Opposite theorem. These two sides are equal, so their opposite angles are equal, and if these two angles are equal, their opposite side will also be equal. So opposite side of this angle is OB, opposite side of this angle is OC. So now we can write here as OB is equal to OC. That is proved. So first part is proof, that is OB is equal to OC. Second part we have to prove here as AO bisects angle A. So second part we have to prove AO bisects angle A. We have to prove. Now see how to start. We take here two triangle. First triangle we can take here as triangle AOB. This triangle and this triangle. So in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, AB is equal to AC. These two sides are already given. So AB is equal to AC, that will be your given. Second, OB is equal to OC, which we have proved above. So OB is equal to OC, that is proved above. Second, you can see here, third is OA side OA is equal to OA as common. So here we can write, therefore triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle AOC by side rule. So side rule, these two triangles are congruent. When these two triangles are congruent, so this angle OAB will be equal to angle OAC by CPCT. So angle OAB will be equal to angle OAC by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now both the angles are equal, it means that AO bisects angle A. So AO bisects angle A, that is proved. So these are some proof that is based on the isosceles triangle. Now let us see another question. Now see here question number 2. A, B, C, F, E. These two are 90 degree. In this question we have to prove altitudes, that is BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. In this question we have to prove that BE, both the altitudes are equal. And what is given? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. It means that AB is equal to AC. These two sides are given as equal. So I have told, when theorem of isosceles triangle is opposite angle of the equal side will also be equal. So AB is the side, opposite angle is angle C. AC is the side, opposite angle is angle B. These two sides will also be equal. So here we can write AB is equal to AC, that is given. So angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB. Reason? Opposite angles of equal sides are equal. This is according to the theorem. So now we will take two triangles to prove triangle BFC. In triangle BFC and triangle EBC. First, these two angles are given as 90 degree. So we can write angle BFC will be equal to angle CEB will be equal to 90 degree, that is given. First part. Second, you can see that this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal, and these are a part of triangle FBC also and ECB also. So we can write triangle FBC, angle FBC will be equal to angle ECB. Proved above, or you can write here isosceles triangle property. Next you can see BC side is common. BC is equals to BC, that is common. So therefore triangle BFC is congruent to triangle EBC. Reason you can write here as angle side rule. So both the triangles are congruent. If both the triangles are congruent, so BE is equals to CF which we have to prove, that will be equal to CP CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and BE and CF are the altitudes of a triangle. So this is the proof of question number 2.